I'm going to see a Lego city, including an Eiffel Tower that's literally my height. I'm about 1.4 centimeters, 147 centimeters, and it's my height, just 3 centimeters taller.
So it's in a shopping park
Yeah,
called AVION. We've not been there before.
We're in Bratislava.
Okay.
Currently.
Okay, so we'll keep you posted once we get there
Yeah.
and see what it looks like.
Just currently on our bus filled like sardines, so
Oh, not too bad. You even got
Yeah,
your
but-
seat.
yeah, at least got a seat though.
Okay. We'll see once we get there.
We are not there yet, but I discovered this in the Lego store.
Okay.
Big guy with this. It's got a Lego ad in Slovak.
Okay, but there's a button down here. Okay.
And look at
when
this.
you
Look,
press this
he's
button, what happens?
look when you touch. Look at this. He can change and.
How freaky is that?
Yeah, it sounds a bit freaky, but
Okay, so we're in the Lego shop.
yeah, I may want to check more out in here, see if there's anything. Oh, I see something else. I see a duck here. Oh, and a bunch of Lego bricks. Does that mean I can make my own thing?
Yes, you can. But I guess if we get to the exhibition, you'll be able to do lots of Lego playing there as well.
Look at this. I found this in the
Oh,
Lego
nice.
store.
Duckling
Yeah.
with a little heart.
Yeah, and also lighthouse and wheels. I'll check through the Lego stuff. There's also the Duplo stuff.
What's
Look,
that? Yeah.
look, there's a
Oh, you've got something giant at the
there's
back.
a portrait.
Yeah.
There's
I think the half sleepy Chris was making the portraits of him, of
Yeah.
of himself and
this
himself
Star
and his
Wars.
girlfriend. No.
Yeah, and this Star Wars one,
No.
which I don't know what it is because I know nothing about Star Wars, but that one looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna check what I can find inside the Lego store actually.
I think it's a toy shop as well. Now you've got different toys.
Yeah.
The Lego was at the front.
Yeah.
I was
it's actually-
intrigued
I think
what
it's a
this
Lego
was.
store, but
And this
let
is
me
a-
continue to go through.
A tree made of trucks.
Okay, but
I was wondering what that was. Can you see this one? This tree made of cars,
Oh yeah, I wanna
made of
continue.
trucks.
So I'm inside now, and look at this.
Okay.
There's the Eiffel Tower I was originally talking about.
Okay, let's have a look at it. Okay. Should have gone from the.
Sure, that's the tallest thing. Look, there's even a functional train. Look, train.
Okay.
There's a train coming.
You have the something that looks like London Eye. Oh yeah. This is pretty good,
And
isn't it?
also the Ferris wheel.
Uh-huh.
And of course,
Okay, it's going around. Look.
yeah, and there's a Lego roller coaster and Ferris wheel, but the roller coaster doesn't look as cool as the one half asleep Chris made. The one that definitely looks.
Oh, look at this one. You've got the farm
Oh
here.
look, there's the mountains, and the animals, and look, there's a construction site, and look, even more mountains.
Okay.
And obviously people camping, and there's another train which is not moving.
Oh, there's another one. I think that's the same train. Just goes around. Okay.
Station here.
Okay.
And look, there's a snake. Coming out, there's a snake.
A port.
Yeah, there's a port with all the ships.
Okay. And you even have a windmill here.
And definitely a working windmill. For so-called green energy.
A bird cutter.
Oh yeah, the bird cutters.
So why do we call it a bird cutter?
Because they cut birds. Because
Okay.
imagine a bird flies into that, what
So
happens?
the green energy is not really so green, is it?
Yeah, but let's check some.
Including the solar panels.
Oh yeah, they have the knights here, the five.
Oh.
Then they have.
Go, wait. What is this? Wait. So this is some dragons. Can you see those red dragons and the black dragon?
And then there's this.
What is this? Are these the pirates, or is this some kind of a futuristic?
Oh, and there's Mrs. Titanic,
Oh.
which sinks.
Okay. And
But
what's
there's this one. This is the Christmas one.
This is the Christmas. Christmas city.
And
wow.
there's Star Wars, which I don't know anything about.
They're saying one of the biggest models made from Lego at all times was Vesmírna loď Millennium, a starship Millennium. Is it this one? They're
Oh
saying that
yeah,
was
the
biggest
Millennium
one.
Falcon.
Millennium Falcon.
That's the second biggest one after the world map, I think. But
Yeah.
I've never seen this.
And do you know how many pieces does it consist of?
Maybe like 8,000 pieces.
7,541. And they're saying you would need 33 hours to complete this, and it costs 650 to 700 euros.
Yeah.
This
We're in
bit, yeah.
Slovakia currently, so that's why
Okay.
everything is in Slovak. Can you translate it? And obviously there's this one, gingerbread. And there's
Gingerbread City. Okay.
There's a section that has two cabinets. This is Lego Friends.
This is Heart Lake City. Okay.
Yeah, and it's just Lego Friends stuff. Like stuff like a normal city. Lego Friends.
You think? Okay. This is Wild West. Okay.
Oh, I know half sleep Chris Bell, the globe owl.
Oh, he did the globe, but look at this owl. Can you see the owl?
Yeah, I can. And I can see
I
the
like
globe.
the white owl.
It's got the earth and it's got in English because Lego is in English.
Okay. I love this white owl. This is my thing. Look at that. I'm
It
gonna
just looks like
zoom
a
on the owl.
university degree thing.
You think?
Paper. Yeah, it's Hogwarts School.
Okay, so is that the Harry Potter thing? Okay.
That's just my old village
Isn't this a medieval city? This looks like a medieval. Look, you've got some kind of a castle.
Oh, medieval, yeah.
Medieval town.
And then there's pirates. Pirates.
Oh my goodness, all these pirate ships.
Oh yeah. This one.
Okay.
It's not, but there's this one. The pirates.
There's more pirates here.
Yeah.
Okay, look at these pirate boats.
Can you read them?
Okay, so the pirates are the oldest sets from Lego. Did you know that? They're the oldest sets?
No.
And they're saying that they are from 1992.
Wow.
And from then, they keep returning to a theme of pirates. And then in 2011, they've introduced new sets called Pirates from Caribbean. And until the latest sets.
And then
No,
there's the desert stuff.
Yeah.
Deserts as well.
Desert. Okay. Something I've seen. What is this? This is some medieval stuff as well.
There's a space shuttle.
Oh wow. These are giant. And what about this one? This is even bigger than what we saw, no? Look at what are these? And you have the giant one. You have a small version of this, no? We've got a small version of this one at home. This is a giant version. But these are even bigger than what they had over there. These.
Oh, there's a cat.
Okay. Wait.
People's names on
it? You're gonna make your own?
Yeah.
Okay, and there's a big play area around here.
And I can attach my name.
You need to find a space for yours.
Yeah, I found the space.
You have. There's Eva, Greggy, Vilko, Dante, Tommy.
Well, let me get this started.
Okay.
I haven't yet used black, so I'm going to use black. I want to use every single colour they have to make it at least as diverse as possible.
Okay.
Okay, so he's going to be another point better, just down this. Down. I'm currently just placing my.
Okay.
It's pretty complex. Yeah. Right. So I've got the gray. And then I'm gonna add
An N.
yeah, and I think I may want to add another of my favourite colour.
Okay, so you're spelling it with E because
I think I'm actually gonna yeah, I think my favourite colour. I think my favourite colour is blue though.
Oh, you can do it with red if you want.
Red. Red is my second.
Black.
And I'm just gonna
So why did you spell your name with E, not with A?
because I hate people in Slovak people calling me Bastian, and even my grandfather calls me my actual real name, Sebastian, with the Sebastian on it.
So in Slovakia, but you need to explain. So in Slovakia, people pronounce the words the way they're written.
Yeah.
Okay, so if it's written with E, they pronounce it as Bastien. If it's written with A, they pronounce it as Bastian.
And almost all other languages, except like German, and this can be really annoying.
Okay, so in Slovakia, you're spelling your name with E.
Yeah.
In England, you're spelling your name with A. Maybe you want to put the smaller pieces.
Okay.
But this looks like H, so you can try to put one more below. If you have something thin.
But I'll need to find a bit of a smaller piece.
Okay. Maybe.
Down, I found a two-piece.
Yeah.
Now I need to find another. I usually found another two-piece. My name, Bastian.
Oh, well.
Or Bastian.
Okay. So I take a photo of this for a thumbnail?
20% of my subscribers.
So shall I take the photo of this for a thumbnail? Okay.
And
Who built this house?
yeah, I built this house.
Who built this house?
BRH and you.
BRH and me?
Yeah.
Okay, it was a joint effort and I'm actually quite proud of this
Yeah.
house. Okay, it's super tall. How many windows does it have?
It has 1, 2, 3 windows.
And a door.
Yeah.
Oh my
a door
goodness.
that I can comfortably go through.
I
just
know,
leaning
that
a
was
bit.
the whole point. So you wouldn't actually have to squat.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm actually proud of myself.
Yeah, definitely
And,
I am too.
and you've got the windows and the roof is all sealed.
yes.
Okay, so look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay, Mum knows what she's doing. Okay, super duper. Okay, not knocking it down, please. I want the robot to see it, okay? You can invite some friends inside.
Yeah.
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 Oh.
Already in bed with my flat.
Oh no, they're interested in knocking it down, and I said build your own before you knock ours down, okay? You need to defend the house.
Yeah, they're building their own.
Okay. Did you go inside? You've got a pirate ship in here, by the way. And you've got lots of train tracks as well. When you were tiny,
I'm gonna try and do something.
you're really interested in all these trains.
There's a bucket of Legos. And
Okay.
I'm gonna walk in Legos.
I don't think it's a very good idea. First of all, it's quite painful and you can break pieces. But I like this little cat. I like the kitty cat up there.
Yeah, I'm literally just standing on the Lego ouch.
Yeah, great.
Definitely, please kids don't.
Okay, uh-oh, no, you need to defend the house. Someone's interested in knocking it down.